down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay. Hey music family, it's Oz here from Ozzy's Music Academy. I'm coming at you today with some ukulele chord tutorials. These tutorials are going to set you up to play Count on Me by Bruno Mars, which uses 6 of the most popular chords for ukulele. Once you learn these 6 chords, you'll pretty much be able to play anything. For this video, we want to make sure that the head of our ukulele, where our tuners are, is on the left side. So make sure that it's sitting on this side for you. For me, it's going to be over here because this is my left hand. And then that way we know that our A string, which is our first string, is closest to our toes. Our ukulele is going to be tuned up already, which you will have done. And then our strumming patterns for today's songs, our strumming patterns for today's chords are going to be as follows. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So there's our strumming patterns for each one of these. So let's get started on our chords. Our first chord is going to be our C chord. We start on our A string, which is our first string, and we go down 1, 2, 3 frets. And as you can see with your stickers, you have a red C there. I like to cover that with my third finger, and that's how I play my C chord. Here's our strumming practice. 5, 6, 7, 8. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now you have your C chord. Keep moving on to the other chords and go make some music. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, send this to friends, check out my Facebook page, Instagram, and Patreon. Thanks for joining. Peace.